What do you get when you combine a 1948 Chevy school bus, a Vortec V8, and a salsa dancer's kitchen floor? You get the weirdest bachelor pad on 6 wheels. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've ever looked at a school bus and thought, you know what this needs? A V8 and a wet bath. Then welcome aboard today's rolling paradox. Meet the 1948 Chevrolet 3600 Thriftmaster that somehow went from hauling kids to becoming the off-grid bachelor pad of your childhood bus driver. I don't know who hurt this truck, but someone turned a yellow kid hauler into a two-tone mobile dream with a Vortec V8 growl and checkerboard kitchen floors that say, I camp, but I also salsa dance. Now back to business. This beast started life as a school bus, probably carting around kids with Kool-Aid mustaches in Kansas. Then, in 2019, some brave soul found it rusting away, like an old rock band member with stories to tell. They tore it down, media blasted the steel body, patched the rust, and filled the side windows before painting it crisp white with a nostalgia-drenched blue. Jalousie windows now let in the breeze, and there's a notched rear bumper with a receiver hitch, just in case you feel like towing your regrets behind you. Underneath, it rides on the bones of a 1980 Chevy 3/4-ton pickup, a 5.3-liter Vortec V8 and 4L60E 4-speed auto from a 2004 Silverado are doing the heavy lifting, backed by a 4.11-to-1 final drive. Power steering? Yes. Disc brakes up front? You bet. That's right, it's got more modern DNA than half the things in my fridge. The interior is straight out of a retro fever dream. White and blue captain's chairs, a backup camera, tilting steering column, and Dakota digital gauges welcome you into the cockpit. Behind them, you've got a kitchenette with a microwave, 2-burner cooktop, fridge, and a wood countertop, because even rugged campers appreciate artisanal sandwiches. There's even a wet bath. Not bad for a rig with 3,800 miles on the rebuild and an antique Kansas title. Just a heads up, the water heater's out of commission, but so is my neighbor Dale, and he still goes camping. The price? Not listed, but let's be honest, something like this, you don't ask the price. You ask how soon you can sign the title. Based on similar custom builds, I'd say expect it to go anywhere from $45,000 to $65,000, roughly 42,000 euros, 60,000 euros, depending on the level of emotional investment baked into the checkerboard floor. If you want to stare at this Frankenstein of freedom, check out the official gallery and details from the seller. You can usually find them on classic car auction platforms or enthusiast forums.